This is a quick walkthrough for new students and people who haven't logged into their account for Blue Ridge Community College and perhaps need to log into Moodle. On the left-hand side of the blueridge.edu homepage, you'll see a small tab. The first takes you to an area called My Blue Ridge. This is where you have school records, grades, transcripts, schedules, payments, course offerings, grades, class availability, assigned advisors, where you can register for or drop add classes, and also check financial aid. Below that is the tab for Moodle. After you've signed in initially, you'll be able to get into Moodle here, which is a learning management system where one can interface with classes. The next link just takes you to your student webmail, where you'll get all of your official college and Moodle correspondence. We'll be going through this email tool. At the bottom, we have WebAdvisor. Here's where you're going to get your username and ID and your initial student account setup. This will all happen right here, and we'll show you how to do that and then how to log into Moodle itself. So to set up your account, simply click the WebAdvisor tab, and that will open up this frame. By selecting either of these two links, you'll be taken to the directions page to begin signing up. And that will take you to this next frame. And it's important to take these next steps correctly. On this frame, enter your last name, and then put in your social security number without using dashes or spaces. And for students who are unable to provide their social security number during registration, they will have to enter their last name and full 7-digit student ID number. Click Submit. This frame says select an email address, and that's all you're doing. You're going to the drop down here. You will select the email address you provided previously, your personal email address, where we may send you a temporary password that you'll use to log in initially to your Blue Ridge email address, and then immediately change that to a password of your choosing. Click Submit. After completing the previous step, you will receive an email in your personal email box that tells you the password to be able to log in to WebAdvisor. After logging into WebAdvisor with your temporary password, immediately go to where it says Change Password, click that, and enter the new password. After completing these steps, you may want to go ahead and log into Moodle. Bear in mind, there is often a delay of several minutes to half an hour for WebAdvisor and that data to populate these settings in the other applications. It will likely become your common practice to go to the Blue Ridge website, blueridge.edu, tap the Moodle tab, which will take you to this frame. You'll go into the upper right-hand corner, you will tap Login, and you will log in with the login information you just developed, noting that your username is all of the information, your name and the other letters assigned prior to the @ sign in your email address. You'll put in your newly established password, and you'll be in. And that will take you to the My Courses page, on which we have a separate tutorial.